This is Isabel from the Cognito Forms team. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to collect variable amounts determined by the person filling out the form, like tips or donations. I've already added a few fields to this form to collect information like name, phone number, and email address. Now I just need to add a field to collect the donation amount. You'll notice that some fields like choice, lookup, yes, no, currency, and price fields have a credit card icon next to them. Any of these fields can be used to collect payments on your form. In this case, I'll use the currency field because it allows me to collect variable monetary responses. By default, the currency is set to US dollars based on my organization's location settings. However, you can change the currency for this particular form in the form settings. Just keep in mind that once your form has any entries, these settings will be locked. Even though we have the ability to collect a monetary amount, we can't process the actual payment just yet. First, I'll make sure my payment account is connected to the form. Then in the donation field settings, I'll select the option that says Collect Payment for this field. When the amount is entered in the donation field, it'll show up as a line item along with the subtotal and any processing fees. From the Payment Settings menu, you can adjust these settings and choose to add or exclude certain fees as needed. After you start receiving donations, you can go to your form's entries page to view transaction details or issue refunds. Finally, don't forget to enable email confirmations in your submission settings so users receive a receipt of their donation after submission. That's all we're going to cover in this video, but if you need more help setting up your payment forms, you can find more information in our user guides, or you can reach us directly by submitting a support request.